Hi, my name is Charity. I just wanted to show you what happens if you go to my website, chatsmom.com. You are taken to this page where you are asked to put in your email address, and then you click on this blue button, and once you put on your email address, you'll receive an email from me, and you will watch a video from our mentor Michelle, and she's will explain to you the journey that you are about to start, and you will be receiving emails. It's safe to put your email here, so from there you will join the community. Once you just invest in yourself, we have $100, $300, and $600, and $900. These are your products. Wherever you choose to go with, it will come back to you 100%. Anytime somebody joins you, that is how you're going to be earning when you follow the blueprint.